Hey, check it out. Looks like I got my tips frosted. My gloves froze up. I always got to bring an extra pair of liners. This bottle's so froze I can't open it. We're gonna do this. Put the water bottles over here to keep them from freezing. Feels good to get something to drink. I've got shish kebabs and couscous. Got chunks of seasoned chicken wrapped in bacon. Bacon wrapped chicken shish kebabs and couscous. Chunks of chicken wrapped in bacon. I'm gonna make brownies and whipped cream. Got about a third of a bottle of cream. I'm gonna add a little bit of vanilla and sugar to it. Shake it for about 5 minutes. Shove that down in my bag.